in domestic market, government is the major spender. Private sector expenditure is yet to pick up to the extent it needs to pick up. Therefore, our domestic orders will substantially be government going forward as well. And in terms of international jobs, we do a mix of multilateral and private sector jobs. So that could continue. Typically, our mix has been 70% domestic, 30% international. And but currently, the jobs what we have back is substantially domestic. Therefore, it's slightly skewed at this point of time at 76 domestic, 24 international. Our expectation is we would like to maintain a 70-30 ratio between domestic and international markets.
What's the big message that, Mr. Srinivasan, you want to send out to your investors? Second day on the markets, second day after your listing. What's your big message? Because I think for projects such as yours, cash flows will be very important. And so maybe some thoughts on what the cash flow run rate could look like?
I would say to ask for a specific message. We have a track record of completing 90% of the projects on or ahead of schedule, which is a very good track record in the Indian infrastructure industry. So we follow an operational excellence model. We follow the right risk management process. We are probably the only Indian construction company to have a chief knowledge officer in our role where knowledge management processes, which is internationally recognized as that of most admired or innovative knowledge enterprise at India level, Asia Pacific level, and global level. And we do technologically complex projects with a lot of innovation, very strong engineering skills what we have. In terms of growth, we have given a consistent growth record of 18.5% over a 20-year time frame. And we follow a very corporate governance standards. Right from 2006, we have been following all the mandated listing-related requirements, being an unlisted entity and highly professionally driven organization. So we investors in the longer run will have a very good run on our stock. It could be a wealth creator instead of looking at short-term gains.